10 don'ts to avoid. Don't restrict access to your content. By restricting access, we don't mean prohibit or block certain people access to your viral content, which you would find sooner than later impossible to pull off. We mean that access to your viral content should be as easy as a simple click. You might ask how it is possible to restrict access to a piece of content if you just want to make it go viral and monetize it. Well, the easiest way to restrict access to a piece of content is to put it behind a paywall, and many marketers do not realize this until it's too late. To force people to subscribe, pay, or give away any type of information in exchange for access to your content might work for other types of marketing campaigns, but not for viral campaigns, because it will slow down or entirely stop your content from going viral really fast. Remember, viral marketing is not about exclusivity, so you should allow everybody easy access to your content. Don't expect it to go viral immediately. The results of your viral marketing campaign will not be immediately apparent. In fact, it might not be all that exciting in the first few hours after you launch your campaign. Like we mentioned in our previous videos, viral marketing spreads just like a computer virus when a group of people is exposed to your content or product through an initial group of people, and so on. The internet is huge, and there are millions to billions of active people just in one social network alone. So can you imagine how much time it can take for any type of content to go viral and reach the edges of the World Wide Web? You have to be patient and not let your guard down by thinking that your campaign is not viral just because you're not in the news 2 hours after launch. Don't break the bank with expensive advertising. Paid advertising can help you a great deal when you try to give even the smallest boost to your viral campaigns, but you have to be really cautious and savvy when using it for such a purpose. Besides, remember that the goal of a viral marketing campaign is to actually get people to promote your content for you by aggressively sharing it across their social networks. Granted, if you're just starting out and you don't have enough individuals with high networking potential enlisted among your followers, it can be a little tough to get your campaign across the map. In that case, what helps is to set a little budget and use the cheapest options available. Social media networks such as Facebook and Twitter will allow you to deliver your social media posts to thousands upon thousands of people for as little as $5 a day. Use these cheap advertising options along with well-crafted headlines and posts, and you'll have a sure winner. Don't obsess over going viral. It can be easy to get overridden with excitement over the idea of making something go viral. We advise you to be cold-headed in this respect. Although a big chunk of a viral marketing campaign is to drive excitement, you can't overestimate the fact that you can end up oversharing a story to the point of making it tiresome to others. Don't stress over it. It will only burn you and your followers out before a campaign reaches its true potential. Just plan carefully and let the virus flow naturally. Don't underestimate social media. Social networks have replaced email as the main reason behind a piece of content becoming a viral phenomenon. That's because the very nature of social networks allow for the spread of information to go full force. The introduction of social media sharing buttons in your website will work as a call to action button for your visitors. They will associate those buttons by default with activity in their preferred social media network and will be automatically tempted to click on them. Use the power of social media to your advantage. Don't be cold and boring. Don't treat viral marketing campaigns the same as you would a cold sales pitch. Always remember that while your intention might be to make a profit, that is not the message that you should be sending with your campaign. People will be able to smell that from a mile away and treat your campaign as a cheap online gimmick used by you or your business to drive some sales. Be charismatic. Be creative, be funny, be smart, send a striking message, and never ever focus on telling your audience that you are selling them something. Tell them that you have something so cool for them that they will want everybody else to see it. Don't forget to create videos. Videos are the most powerful technique in viral marketing. You have experienced the viral power of videos yourself anytime you're prompted to share a video on your social media feeds, even if you didn't like it. Try to always use a video for your viral marketing campaigns. Don't focus on traditional marketing methods. Traditional marketing methods do not work well with viral marketing methods, and when they do, they have to go in disguise. This is because traditional marketing methods focus on the product and its attributes, whereas viral marketing focuses on a story, fact, or occurrence. When you try to promote a product with legitimate viral marketing, you have to surround your product with a story or occurrence. Then, your product becomes an idea. If not, your campaign will hardly go viral and will instead just merely be popular. Don't mislead. Misleading headlines have been overused to promote stories. Tragically, the initial impact of a misleading headline does not last long in the majority of cases. Worse still, if you use a misleading headline and get caught the first time, you'll be left out of the game forever if people decide that your business is a sham and not worth their time. Don't assume that you have to be controversial. While it can help to add a little amount of spice to a piece of content to help it go viral in some instances, it will hurt you in the long run if you think that the secret behind going viral is to be controversial. That can work for some people depending on the context. But businesses are hurt by controversy no matter what. So don't make people expect controversy from you.